What's going on, everybody? So listen, I want to show you how to get funding with multiple banks and credit unions. So how to get funding with multiple financial institutions, whether it's banks or whether it's credit union. Okay, so listen, I'm going to give you the strategy. This is how I did it. This is the steps that I took to get funding with multiple financial institutions. So this is what I'm going to show you. So let's get to the business. All right, so how do you get funding with multiple financial institutions? So as I said previously, you got to first start with your financial institution that you already have an existing relationship with. Go with them first, see what they say, because if you already have an existing relationship with a financial institution for 20 years, let's say 30 years, then that's the starting point. So you want to start with them and see what they can do in terms of giving you funding for your business, all right? And then from there, what you do is you try to open multiple accounts. You open, right? Open accounts, right? Let's just say open accounts with multiple banks, right? Or credit union, right? Open accounts, right? Now, what does that mean, right? Try to go with savings account, right? Because savings accounts, usually there's no fee, right? A lot of the savings account, there's no fee, there's no monthly fee. You're not paying anything, right? So try to open a savings account because, so that way you can get into the door, right? Because remember, with financial institution and credit unions, it's all about building relationship, right? It's all about, they want to see, okay, you already have a product with us, so it doesn't really matter how much money or how much funding or how much you already have in the account. It's just a question of relationship. So let's say you have a savings account, you put $10 there and you just let it sit, just let it sit there for a year, 6 months, right? So that is showing them that, hey, listen, you already have a relationship with us. So you already, there's already data, right? There's already information about you in their database. So open savings account, right? And look for checking accounts, right? No checking accounts that have no fee, right? No fee checking account, right? I think that's how you spell checking, right? So checking accounts, savings account that have no fee, right? And then the last, right, try to open like, what do you call it? The no fee credit cards, right? If your credit is already decent, try to open a no fee, credit cards and so on. So, because listen, the main objective is for you to build relationship with this financial institution. It doesn't matter the type of product you open with them. It doesn't matter how much deposit that how much money you have in that account. It's about relationship. So you want to do that with multiple financial institutions. Why? Because listen, financial institution, they want to see that you already have a relationship with them before they can open their funding books to you. So open savings account with multiple financial institutions. Savings account, as I said, is free. It doesn't cost you anything. So go to TD, go to RBC, go to, now open it on the personal side, right? Open a savings account and you're good to go. And just, put $10 or 50, whatever it is that you want to put, and just let it sit there. Because remember, you're building relationships. So that account could be open for a year, right? It could be open for, let's say, 6 months. And then when you're ready to go to funding, guess what? You go to them. The first